English. Okay. So good evening, everybody. My name is Marina Adams. I'm here in Texas, USA. I'm a level 3, which is good because it's a blessing because of all of you. I reached this uh, promotion. So thank you, everybody, and thank you for being here tonight. I won't take hold your time because I know time is gold, and I know that you have families and you have job, you have everything that you have to do. Okay? All right, my presentation today is as the same as we learned from last week. So I am not gonna read everything, but I'm just gonna show you like a little highlight where we at as a BJ Wealth Sharing. So BJ Wealth Sharing is the largest hedge fund in the world. Can you believe that? Um, yes. And it will double your investment in under 60 days. An incredible system that changes lives. Let me mute everybody so we can unmute you later on when we finish. Let me see, just a second. Okay, mute all. All right. Okay, disclaimer. This presentation is not a financial advice, enticement, or a guarantee result. Oh, okay. Let me repeat it. I'm so sorry. This presentation is not financial advice, enticement, or guarantee of results. Results in the BG's investment project are based on your efforts, determination, and focus, and following the instruction and guidance of Professor Stephen Beard for the trading signals. BJ is a Web3 trading project on DSJ Exchange. It is DSJ's affiliation that requires crypto to participate. It requires cryptocurrency. So today's presentation is not investment advice. An offer or solicitation for the purchase or sale of investment. Past performance is not indicated of future result. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and involves a high amount of risk, in which you may lose some all of your investment funds, or maybe you're thinking about you should not invest with funds that you cannot afford to lose. For me is when I joined BJ, I said, well, I put $1,000 and I said, if I lose, I lose. So that's my philosophy. But I did not lose. I gain and gain and gain. So that's the good thing. We are gaining here. We are not losing. We always win, win, win. As you know, BJ philosophy is win, win, win. So we have all the certification and registration of the company, so you don't have to worry about people telling that DSJ is a scam, which is not. So if somebody will ask you about BJ, tell them that do your diligence. The diligence is you have to go on this site. You don't have to ask AI or you don't have to ask Google because Google is paying those people that will, say bad things to DSJ. We are we are a legal company and we are also a compliant. DSJ Exchange hold registration and business certificates in more than 30 countries and region around the world. they have the following. So if you are already a member, I believe you already done your diligence. So we are registered in Australia, Singapore, Dubai, Bahamas, US, and also we have a financial crime enforcement network. And we have a registration for PinCin. That is really awesome because they won't just come get us like, oh, you are not registered. No, we have a form, we have a certificate that we can show to people. So win-win-win is the philosophy of BJ Wealth Sharing. So as you can see, BJ Wealth Sharing Limited is 99.6% accurate trading signals. So you can see BJ Wealth Sharing is started in Australia with the ACN number 686-266-704. This is an investment partnership commitment letter. So this is the letter. You can just like make a copies and read it, and somebody just asks something about BJ, we can show them this one. Okay, this BJ Wealth Investors. So BJ give us like a referral reward. In BJ, you can have two ways to earn. One is you can just put your money in and let it compound every day. And two is if you want to grow, you can invite people to come join you. And, you know, as an investor, they can invest too. This is a real money-making company, which is really good because it helped a lot of people. So this is the BJ Wealth Investors Referral Rewards. So you already know about the amount of like if you deposit less than $500, if you just put 200 or 300, the referrer and the new members receive 5% reward and no bonus signals. They're not going to give you signals like if you put, however, if you put a deposit of 500 to 1,000 USDT, it is 5% reward for the referrer and 5% reward for the new member. So both also get 6 bonus signals each. So this is awesome, right? So if the new members start with 1,000 and above, the referrer earns 10% reward. So 10% is a lot. 10% of like 100 is a lot. 1,000, 10% of 1,000 is like $100. And you can get 12 bonus signals. So the new member earns 5% reward and 6 bonus signals. So I'll send you all those. I don't know if we have a new one over here. If you are new, I can send you later on all those PowerPoint that you can learn to, you can learn in BJ Wealth Sharing. Okay, there is a mission and vision. So we are lucky we have Stephen Beard as a CEO, he had a mission and he had a vision. This is his. So Stephen Beard is founded BJ in 2018. BJ signed a 10 years partnership with the SGX. The SGX is the affiliated company in 2022 to enhance verified retail investor traffic. And he also combines academic insight with practical trading experience, creating a hybrid investment model that pairs human judgment with AI and data signals. He has a strong track record in mentoring leaders, focusing on risk control and measurable performance. He is really a leader and a mentor. If you joined the meeting a while ago, I like the way he said, what is the things you regret? It's about regret. But anyway, so as of November 2025, BJ operates in 100 plus countries and has over 450,000 plus members. So this is not accurate. I think we already reached more than that. I think it's I think all is maybe 750,000 members now. Not sure, but we'll look on that. So the company is currently strategizing for expansion into the US. For this year, he already aimed to put like 30, I think 30 offices, and he aims to establish its headquarters in Colorado. So if you are in the US, we are a part of that. And he is wanting me to, you know, to apply for it, but I am not ready yet. I still have a full-time job and, well, maybe in the future. I'm working on it. Okay. So BJ Wealth Sharing Limited is empower every active investor. Who is the investor? Us, right? We are the investor. So they can say, oh, you are just a member. No, we are an investor of BJ. So everybody that joined BJ is an investor. We put our money to invest, and then our money compound every day. So become a BJ owner, ensure they have guaranteed income through BJ. We have a guaranteed income. BJ philosophy is B is being. Being is a core concept that refers to the essence and reality of things. It involves how we understand the relationship between ourselves and the world. Growth means the process of life is essentially continuous growth, including both physical development and the deepening of spirit and thought. In a small team, people manage people, right? Like one manage five, five manage 25, right? And a large company system manage people. Follow group rules for easier management and stable long-term trading signal. So this is a good thing for BJ because they don't want you to stress with so many people. Like me, even though I have maybe more than 200 now people, but each person have their ability to train and help their own. But I'm here like just, to assist whoever needed somebody, whoever need a help, I'm here. And also Chill, Melody, and everybody. I cannot name everybody, but everybody is involved. Okay. Our earning is stable income through trading signals. So we have to trade. We don't want to see our account not trading and you can say, oh, I did not make money, but we make money for trading. And the earning dynamic income through referral rewards and dividend payout. So there is two ways, trading and referral rewards. Refer a person and then you can get money. So we have a rules in the BJ community. Follow company rules is learn core philosophies, focus on what is right. We focus on what is right. Appreciate and support teammates, collaborate to grow and earn rewards. Listen, follow instruction, spread positivity, consult Stephen Beard with question. I always ask him question. He always answer me. I don't know about you. I believe you are too. Every time you ask question, it takes probably maybe a day to answer you because it's so many people asking question. But he is there. He is a good leader. And also we have to replicate the company philosophy accurately to ensure solid growth and expansion. Share goals with Stephen Beard to receive mentoring. I like it when you go in the meeting and, he will say something every time he will say something good, which is really, really get you to think like, oh, he is a good man. And also maintain the right of investment mindset. Follow quantitative trading methods and signals. We have to follow the signals. If we're late trading, that's it. You can't get it anymore. Unless it's when it's time to trade, let everybody. And I was encouraged with all the group members, with all like people like ready, ready, ready. I am so like happy to see people saying, I'm ready, I'm ready. Even in the Philippines, even at like midnight, 11:30 at night, they said, ready, ready, ready. And they are ready. That's right. Okay. And also manager must attend company meetings, encourage team participation, including bone chat. So we have to be participate in bone chat. Let's be active in bone chat and report issues, feedback clearly. Sometimes our network is not working right, but we can report it to bone chat. Okay, no spamming. Keep meetings productive and communication clear. After meeting, summarize key points and share with your team for follow-up learning. Disrespecting repairers or teammates or consistently ignoring partners may result in termination of cooperation. There is a 5 advantages of BG wealth sharing. So here it is, the 99.6% accurate signals. This is create long-term stable income with the world's unique AI trading. It's a data combined with signal accuracy of 99.6%, guaranteeing 60% or more profit on trade volume. And also we have like compliant and legal DSJ exchange. That's what mentioned a while ago. And our fund is guarantee. We always win, we don't lose. And we have a long-term project partnership with BJ Wealth Sharing Limited. This is a signed contract for 10 years. They sign a contract with DSJ Exchange, the core of which is to create a win-win-win situation for all three parties involved. Okay, stability meets opportunity. Future income will be more diversified in addition to profiting from signal trading. Investor can also form a team to obtain additional income and benefit opportunities. This is like we share and we make money too. Okay, there's this referral rewards, which I mentioned it a while ago. And this is what you benefit when you building your team. Refer 5 people to form a group and enjoy trading volume dividends. So here is the position level from level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I believe it's, let me see on the other side, until level 12 nowadays. So as you can see, the position level that you can get if you are level 1, you have 5 people. So your bonus ratio is 0.50%. Cycle bonus is 30. Your dividend level up to rewards to 100. So you have, in level 2, you have 2 directs report, LB1, each team of 25. So the higher your level is, the higher you get a dividend. So I am level 3, which I have 3 directs report. I mean, I filled already the 25 people. So I'm on level 3, and I also get the third permanent signal. So level 4, 5, 6, that will be my goal. How about y'all? I'm so excited. So here it is, level 1. There is already level 8. So I don't know if someone already promoted to level 9. So Gagan and Mr. Gary is in Dallas, which is close here in Texas. I am 2.5 hours drive from their place. So I think they will get that office that they are trying to build. So it's good. Okay, this is your volume, the dividend that team manager can get. So you have to fill in your 5, have to invite 5 also, so you can get the dividend. I mean, the third signal, the pre-third signal, we have 2 signals a day. But if you have 25 people in your group, your 5, every one of them, each one of them have 5 also. That's 25. So if they fill all in there, you can apply for a third permanent signal, which is really good. I love it. I love that third permanent signal because it really get you 30% more money daily. And we also, if you building your team, there is a role for that too. So dividend payout, they will give you a bonus, and also they will give you a birthday allowance if you are LB1 and above. So you can apply for like you have a birthday and they will give you $100. And if you conduct a team, you go out there and you invite people and they join, they encourage you to ask them for reimbursement, and they will reimburse the money you spent. So this is a good thing because every single thing that you do in BJ, they will reward you. Every good things that you do, Stephen Beard will reward you. So there is also a assistant reward if your direct got 5 and you help her to do that, you can also get $50. They will give you $50. Either you can put it in your trading or you can withdraw it. And also the dividend payout and rank verification is depending on your rank. You may qualify for dividend on the 19th. So if you are level 1, we get dividend every 10 days, the 9th, 19th, and 29th of each month. So I think a lot of you already level 1. So I'm so proud. I'm so proud to all of you. You are working your way up. We are leveling up. And here, we don't left behind. We help each other. Even there's a lot of leaders also that, oh, I help her. I mean, she don't have no no money, but sometimes, okay, we help each other. And also we can just say, oh, she don't have no cryptocurrency. Okay, put your money in here and then we'll help you set up your account, which is really a good community. So trading with DSJX. How we trade? How do we complete the trades? Well, start with 500 USDT initial capital. I encourage people that if you really, really want to grow your group and you want to be a level 1, encourage them to put $500, even though they say you can start with $300. But I encourage people to put $500 initial because it really will help your group, and it help you it help your money too. So trading is to trade codes per day, as everybody knows already. 2 codes per day. Texas time is 12:30 p.m. and 6:30 p.m. Even though they said 12 because they want you to get ready. A lot of people, they got nervous when it's time to trade. So I encourage you to open your DSJ account before 12:30, because when you open at the right time, all that traffic is like error. So don't be nervous when your account like that. It will go. Just wait. Just click it. Patiently wait. It will go through. It will go through. So, and also a guaranteed minimum profit of 60% is implied over a period. The average daily earning are approximately $6.50, bringing the balance to 506.50 on day 1. On day 1, when you put your money on day 1, you put $500, you notice that Elena already gave you $25 bonus. And then the next day when you trade, you start with 6.50. So it's really a good thing. And the day to example earning 6.58, cumulated profit for 13.08 after 2 days. So where are we going to get that? It's only in BJ. It's really, this is not like get rich quick. You have to be patient. You have to do your trading, and you have to, do your daily tasks. Okay. Okay, how do we follow trading signals? So most of the time, sometimes they said, oh, I don't know how to, I don't know how to do it. But if you wait till your whoever invited you, whoever put you in this DSJ, they will be the one to help you. So in step 1 is copy the code from BoneChat. So we have to be active in BoneChat. We're just not gonna I know people helping people in the messenger, but we have to be active as well. Step 2 is paste the code in your DSJX account and then confirm. As you can see, this is the picture. If I help people, I just screenshot it and send it to them, because sometimes if you do the talking and then you are talking, it's kind of like it's hard for them to catch up. So for me, it's better to send it a screenshot. This is what you do. Click here, click the future, click the future, invited me, paste, and then position order. It will go through. It's a lot easier like that way. So as I mentioned, you have to log into your DSJ account before 12:30. Because if you don't, it's really hard to get in. Or some people, they waited like 7 minutes after before they log in and it will go through. Because if we log in at the same time, how many people in there? It's a traffic, like traffic. Okay, what if the trading signals fails? We never fails. I mean, I've been here almost 7 months and it failed twice. But up, Stephen Beard recovered. He give us another code maybe 1 hour after, and everybody is like talking on the bond chats. So don't worry if our signals fail. He will give us another chance to make money. And then when he give us the chance to make money, it doubles or triple your money. So don't worry about BJ is failing. No, it's not. Stephen Beard is really good in giving us profit. So are you ready to create wealth? That's a question for everybody. Are you ready? I'm ready since last year. Okay. So this is what I say. We have daily 2 codes, and then we have versus 3 codes. The 3 codes is when you are 25 people added to your group. So earning with fixed codes and bonus signals. This is our daily return, 1.3%. I have not studied this calculator, but anyway, the example of this is, let's say you invite 5 new members who each deposit at least 500 USDT. The referral reward earned 5% per member, totaling 125 for 5 members, so $25 each. Bonus signals is received six signals per referral. I need to drink a little bit. Hold on. My mouth is so dry. But anyway, okay, there is a rank promotion. Reach level 1 for $100 achievement reward. And then the total immediate reward is 125 plus 100 equals $225. This is an ongoing benefit. It's not just one day. So eligible for dividend payouts on the 9th, 19th, and 29th of each month based on your rank. So if you reach level 1, you'll get dividend, level 2, level 3, and beyond. Beyond that, wish to reach 7 this year, hopefully praying. How about y'all? Okay, 2 trades per day. So BG Wealth Sharing Limited offers 2 fixed trading signals daily. This is 7 days a week. No day off. No day off, but the good thing is we only spend maybe 20 minutes a day. That's it. 20 minutes a day, you trade and you make money. So there is a power of third permanent signals. As I mentioned a while ago, it provides an optional third permanent signal that enhances compounding power. It will really enhance your compounding daily. So with 3 trades per day, the expected daily compounding rate is approximately 1.8% or higher. It depends. If you put all your money on the trade, when you get dividend, like me, I put all my money on trade. I take out from exchange to trade, and it's really go up really quick. Okay, so 3 trades per day is like if you unlock third permanent signal, all the members must have trade accounts with an initial investment of 500 USDT. So all our members is I believe everybody got $500 USDT in their account. I'm not sure, but that's what I thought. Anyway. Okay, so we're done with that one. The withdrawal process. This is a lot of people like I have not withdrawn much. I just withdraw twice. So there is a rules and process for withdrawal. I think Sis Chill and someone is they are master with withdrawal, so they help a lot of people to withdraw their money. I just withdraw the other day. The DSJ took 12%, and when I put that in Coinbase, they took like 20%. So that's a lot for me. But anyway, if you have a question, maybe Jill will help you, or Canada or Philippines, whoever like have things to do with withdrawal, you can ask them. So there is also early transfer penalty. So if you transfer funds before the amount has doubled, a penalty of 20% will apply. So that's probably what happened, because I just withdraw too quick with my dividend. So the total early withdrawal cost, if you withdraw your investment before it doubles, like before 60 days, you will incur a total fee of 32%. 32%, that is too much, like $30 per 100. So you don't want to do that, and I don't want to do that. This includes the 20% early transfer penalty and the 12% DSJEX withdrawal fee. Please consider these policies when planning your transaction. And also, just FYI, do not empty your wallet. If you put $500 in 60 days, it double. You just take out the $500 and the $500 will stay in your account. Because if you do that, they're gonna close your account. And your team will suffer. So please don't do that. All funds transferred into the trade wallet must double through trading before they can withdraw without penalty. So as you can hear that, referral reward, rank rewards, and dividend payouts can also be moved into the trade wallet to increase trading volume. However, its transferred amount is subject to the same doubling requirements. So whenever you add or transfer funds into the trade wallet, a timer reset. So the timer resets for that specific amount. That amount must double through trading before it can be withdrawn to avoid a 20% early withdrawal penalty. So if you want to study this, yeah, you are welcome to. And also the current balances trade wallet, if you have 1,000 exchange, wallet 1,000 you want to withdraw. So try not to. Withdrawal process. So the withdrawal process is ensure your account is verified and the withdrawal wallet is linked to your bank account. Initiate the withdrawal. Notify Miss Elena or Rosa. Just tell them that, hey, Elena, I want to withdraw today. So could you please okay it? That's all. And then the self-verification provide a selfie holding the same ID. Use your account verification. Just hold your ID like this, take a picture, and send it to Elena. That means she can see you that you are a real person, not a scammer. the thing is, I like this company because they really, really verify you. You will get your money. They don't tolerate scammers. They don't tolerate that. So that's really good. And we'll see. I think that's it. Thank you for being with me, and thank you for your attention. That's all my presentation today. And let me turn this off and we can take pictures. We have 19 here. And let me stop sharing. Mute it all. Okay. Let me see, how can I unmute you all? Unmute us all to unmute. Okay, unmute yourself. If you want to show your face, we can take pictures.
Pero I think ito siguro.
Makita mo
Sige.
ako? Can you see
Ay,
me?
parang hindi naman yata ako nakita. Andun ba ako?
I can see Heidi. I can see Marcy, Risa.
Mga Pilipino talaga.
Vicky.
Ako,
Oh, okay. Show
hindi
your
Wala
face.
sa
ko
akin.
makita. Ano ba ito?
Yung sa may ilalim, Marcy.
Kamay ilalim.
Ini?
Unmute mo.
Yeah. Okay na po.
Teka.
Ay, nandun pa si Mary, oh.
Sige.
Wala ako. Diyan na lang ako makialam sa'yo. Bakit wala ako?
Ayan, Marcus iPhone. Ayan, yan.
Kita ko para mag-picture tayo. Yung control share.
Hindi yan.
Command 3 yata. Oh.
Ayun,
Yes,
siguro.
oh, sige, smile everybody.
Makipicture na lang ako dyan.
Sige,
Ay.
sige.
Okay,
Sige.
naka-unmute. Naka-unmute pala ako.
Hanapin mo yung ganyan, Marcy. May lilitaw dun sa ilalim.
Hindi mo na mute video. Oh, ara na. Nakita mo na kami? Ni Dodong?
Yes po.
Kasi
Ay,
Mary.
ano?
Ah,
Madilim.
yan si Madam MJ, oh.
Ay.
Dito. Sinong may gusto mag-screenshot sa phone nila? Mag-screenshot kayo sa phone nyo. Para i-leverage natin.
Oh, sige.
Oh, yan.
Oh, smile.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, any question?
Ikaw, Marcy.
No more questions. Thank you, Mama Rina, for hosting us tonight.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Very much. Thank you, everybody,
Bye po.
and have a blessed day and happy Friday.
Last two lang.
Have a weekend. Happy weekend, everyone.
Camera
Bye-bye.
mo.
Thank you. You can leave and if we have a new one, go back to whoever invited you in this Zoom meeting. Okay. Thank you, everybody. Okay.
Oh, yan.
Di. Yan, Marcy.
Kaya nga, Marcy.
Yan, mute ko muna yung sa akin. Hindi.
Sandali.
Alam ko na
Mag-ano na lang tayo, Marcy, sa kabila.
Ano niya? Ay, asan na ako?
Hindi ko ma-turn off. Anong nangyari? Oh, dito pala. Okay, see you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Mag-e-end.
Thank you too.
Sige, pwede na kayong mag-leave. Hindi ko papakita. Wala pa rin. Hindi, bakit?
Lahat yan sila. May ano na lang.
Naka-capture. Oh, ay, mayroon palang ano. Nagka-capture dito. Oh. Ganon talaga.
Ano ko naman, Marcy?
Mm.
Ay, naka-on ka pa?
Okay, ayan na.
Eh,
sige.
pan naman
So
natin.
much. Bye-bye.